Huh? Okay. Coming over. Can't see you tonight. See you. T-shirt. It is. Say hi, G-Mom. You don't say hi to G-Mom? She being... See? She being boozy right now. Let her be boozy. She'll come back when she's done being boozy. She told Anna asked I was a party. She said it was bootsy.
She said that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. She picked up all kinds of words from y'all.
Cause we all girls. Girls had girls. Girl, you know what I mean?
Well, speaking of, you know, did you call me back with that senior care stuff?
Cause I'm not calling you back with that. I told you that. You can come out here, or you can figure it out yourself out there.
I just want to. Did you find the information for me so I can call somebody?
No. Because that wasn't what you was talking yesterday morning, Mama. Come on now, don't let me get real. It's gonna change. Hard heads make soft asses. It's been that way. It's gonna stay that way. It's just the way it is.
I was strict with you guys. Y'all was good.
Oh, Mama, if that's the word you want to use, I guess. But no, I'm playing. But it paid off. Because I know what's up now.
You're too hard on them. You're too strict. That's what they tell me all the time. I think you're bad.
Hey, did I tell you one time Sylvia told Vanessa, you want me to beat your ass like Alicia do her kids? They're like, no. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, don't be using me as a poster child for discipline, for beating kids. But look at my babies now, though. Boom.
Wait a minute. Somebody, you can't talk about me,
Huh?
Somebody said something about me, being a strict mama.
Boom, y'all. Want people into my life. Here you go. I'm really irritated. I just got off the phone. My motherfucking mama, she be irritating me. Like, I'm trying. Like, she got me eating a drink. I respectfully got off the phone, though. But yeah, she was pushing all my buttons. Pushing all my buttons, babe. I'm gonna get off the phone with her. I ain't got time. It's like this song said. I was doing so good. If I was in the car, that shit would be like, boom. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing mighty fine. It's on my feet. It's been a long time. Get that look off your face. Stop being so fake. I know you do not like me and you made it very clear. Always talking about me from what I hear. When you thought that you could, I want you to know that I'm doing so good. That's it. Said I didn't have a clue. Wasn't it you that said that I wouldn't make it through? It wasn't it you that said that I wouldn't do too good. Now I know you do too good. Never make it out the hood. I want you to know that I'm doing so good. I know you hate it, but I'm doing so good. Face it, but I'm I know you hate it, but Look at my baby in New York. She says she's so happy. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, I love it. She's so happy.
Thou shalt pay bills.
Thou shalt pay bills.
So stand the mighty woman with a torch.
Oh, wait.
You act like you need a mind.
So stand the mighty woman with a torch.
Like you rewind.
Aww.
But all that glitters isn't gold. I was blind. Should've never given you my heart on assignment. And I can't believe the lies that I went. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with me.
Aww.
You took my feelings.
My baby living her little best life.
But like it's too hard to fall in love again.
This is the shit I want my baby to see. I'm bringing her out here. You better. Thankful for your about to close this nigga of my life up, but before I do, I want to show you how this is about to go, and then I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna come back and we gonna go loco moco. Okay, so come back. Don't forget to come back. And if you know me, you know I eat a jalapeno with every meal. Follow me and subscribe to find out why. If you don't know, if you do know, good for you. You know, like comment, like everybody. Nope, everybody don't know. Because every time I tell somebody, they be like, for real? Really? And I'm telling you what I know. So yeah. How you think I keep all this in check? Exactly. So anywho, if you look at all my pictures and videos and stories, you gonna see some jalapenos on top of the meal as my garnish. Screw parsley. Put the jalapeno in my bags. Right, let me put my onion up. I don't wash my hands because you know when you fuck with jalapeno, baby, it come back to haunt your life. Whether it be your eye, your nose, your hot pocket, you gonna be like, oh fuck, I touched the jalapeno. So I heard from a friend. Okay? So with that said, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now it should be fun. Water. You don't even understand it. Y'all don't even know about the croissant bread. What exactly is it called? Croissant bread. Like I said, oh, she on the road, she rhyming. She coming at you like that. I just can't do soggy bread. Okay, we'll put it in here. Now, my husband trying to be bougie. He gonna be like, you got it now. No, goddamn, like, if you don't use your motherfucking fork, or your hand, pick it up and be like, like, where you from? Okay, let's cover my food. Snacks be in town soon. Okay, so I'm gonna put the, oh yeah, it's a good little woo-wop for later. Put the Brussels sprouts in here. Put all that up later. So you mix it together. So they have to eat it all. You can't go in here and pick out the Brussels sprouts. Whip it all up. And then it becomes Brussels sprouts, wild rice, and spare rib. Take it or leave it. Alright, y'all. Let me give Dino his bone because he want his bone. Look at that bone. What you gonna do for this bone? For this bone, this bone, this bone. Jump. Jump. Come on. Jump. 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 Jump, Dino. Jump. There you go. One more jump. Taste it. Jump. Come on. Jump.
Okay, playing Van Halen. Jump official music video on YouTube.
Okay, Google. Pause that. Thanks, babe. Van Halen. She don't stop. It sound like big dick in a gym.